Hi there. If there is an issue with the three-way tap, in this case RS Inox tap, that the water is escaping from the bottom of the tap, then there might be two things that need to be checked. First thing, there could be an issue with the aerator, which can be clogged because of the limescale which has built up, which is forcing water down to the spout through the two O-rings, which is the bottom of the inner part, but at the bottom of the spout. So first thing, we can, with a clockwise turning, we can unscrew the aerator, remove it from the plastic tubing, and we can have a look through. Is there any limescale buildup? If there is, we can clean it. We can just push from the other side, push it with a finger till we can remove the rubber washer, and we can take out the aerator. So then we can descale it, and once the aerator is descaled, we can put back the first part, and the last part we can place back the rubber washer. Now that could be the one cause for the leak. Other cause, as I mentioned, there are two O-rings inside the spout, so we would need to remove the spout to get access to the O-rings. So at the back of the tap we can see like a plastic small button. If we push the plastic button in, well, normally the tap is this way and it will be fixed to the worktop. If we can push the plastic button in and at the same time pull the spout upwards, the spout comes off and it will reveal the two O-rings. And one thing to look for is, it might be that the limescale has built up around the rubber O-rings, so we can clean all the limescale. And other thing to do is to use plumber's grease, which is a simple silicone grease for taps, for the O-rings. And we can just lubricate the O-rings properly, as these O-rings are in contact with the swirling spout, and if the limescale builds up around the O-rings, it might be one of the causes which lets water get through the O-rings, which causes the leak. So once we have applied the plumber's grease and first removed all the limescale, we can just slide back the spout. And at the same time, we need to help a bit the tubing to come out from the spout. It get stuck here behind one edge. What we like to achieve is to get the plastic button coming out from the hole which is at the bottom of the spout, so it fixes the spout again. And for the last thing, we can pull out the tubing a bit more, so that inside the aerator there is a small grey tube which we can push into the white plastic tube. And the last thing, we can just screw back the aerator, tighten it, and run the tests. So after going through this process, it should eliminate the leak issue. However, if there's still a leak, it will tell us that the two O-rings need replacing. So these two O-rings could be worn out already after years of use. So if it still leaks after this process, then yeah, we need to just replace these two O-rings. Thank you.